Hi, I'm Sandy Belcher, the creator of Tutti Cutie Tutus, and today I wanted to show you where I buy all my tutu supplies from. I've been making tutus for 9 years now, and the main place I love to buy my tulle from is called TullSource.com. They are hands down the best quality nylon tulle you can get, and it doesn't bunch up as bad as the other tulles I've tried. They are never out of stock. The tulle has a really nice silky feel to it, and it lays really nice. So you can go to it's colored tulle, and they have loads of colors to choose from. They have 4 pages here, and I love the purple color is like perfect. I noticed some other websites the purple just looks too blue, but this one's like really nice. And they also do some neon colors, which is really cool. I buy this. This picture actually don't look as bright as it actually does. I make my Tinkerbell dress with this one. They do shimmer tulle, glitter tulle. This kind of glitter, it's like dots of glitter. So that's really nice. Here's the regular tulle. So they do 3-inch, 6-inch, in 25 yards, 100 yards, 150 yards with the 9-inch. So they do loads of sizes, and I usually buy the 6-inch by 100-yard roll. And one really good thing about their tulle is the whole tube is continuous. You never get like an end, like it ends halfway after wrapping it around cardboard or something, you know. And there's no messed up bits or any holes, nothing like that. I've never seen that, and I've been using them for 9 years. The tulle really does lay down nicely. Customers that send me pictures of like the flower girls in their weddings, the dress just looks so good and like not bunched up or anything like that. This tulle is made in the USA, and I believe they must produce their own tulle, because they're, like I said, they're never out of stock. And another thing I notice if I ever use cheap tulle, which is rare, and it's mainly the ones from China, I noticed there's little fibers that come off the tulle when you cut it or even wrap it, and it makes my skin itch, it makes my eyes itch, and I inhale it sometimes, and it makes my throat swell and I cough. So I try to stay away from that kind of tulle. But I've never had problems with this tulle doing that. No little pieces fall off at all. I've never had any problems with the Tulle Source. Their shipping's very fast. I get my tulle usually within 3 business days after buying it. They are a bit pricey, $8 for a 100-yard roll, but I'm telling you, it is worth it. It is such good quality. If you spend $150, you get free shipping, so that's what I do all the time, because I always need that much tulle. Another website I buy tulle from sometimes is giftsinternational.com. The prices are really good. The quality isn't that great. It does bunch up a little. If I ever use them, it's mainly like a customer that wants a tutu for a really low price, and they don't care much about the tulle, you know. This one don't make my eyes itch that bad, but it is kind of, it bunches up a bit, I guess. It's a little itchy to the skin, but I always let the customer know ahead of time. If they want a cheaper tutu, then I'll use this cheaper tulle. So they do a bunch of different sizes too. I buy the 6" by 100 yard, and it's $1.79, which isn't bad, but there is a shipping price. So, and the shipping does take a while. So if you need it, get it ahead of time. Gifts International sells a lot of stuff here, as you can see. Also, the other things I buy from here is I get tape, packaging tape, and I buy ribbon, double face satin ribbon usually. It's really nice. They only cost, the most common size I buy is the 1.5" double face satin ribbon. There's 50 yards. It's only $5.50. So that's really nice. This color matches that neon green tulle pretty much. Another place I like to buy ribbon from is the ribbonretreat.com. And if you're a new customer, it looks like you get 15% off your first order. Most of their ribbon matches the Tulle Source tulle exactly, and I really love it. They actually don't have all the colors that usually are on there. I guess they must be out of stock maybe. And they also sell tulle. If I don't always buy it from here, but sometimes I do. If I'm buying like a lot of ribbon, I'll go ahead and just buy some tulle too. But make sure it's nylon. I think they have a choice of polyester or nylon. You'll always want to buy nylon tulle. See, on these, they have a lot of colors that I'm used to seeing. Loads of colors. They also do printed ribbon, which is nice for ribbon trim tutus. So they got a lot of stuff to choose from that.
That's cool.
I think this is some of their new items here. So you got this cool sequence ribbon. Now for the sequence tulle, I get it from AliExpress.com, and there's a shop called YW Cool Garment Firm, and they got really nice sequence tulle. $9.90 for, I think it's, let's see, yeah, 100 yards, 6". It's really nice. They got nice colors. I use this for my Cinderella dress. And this shop does a lot of different stuff. And if it says here, if you need any other color, please contact us. All the colors can be produced. So that's really nice. But obviously shipping is going to take a while because it comes from China. But this is good quality tulle too. So there's a few places I like to buy crochet tutu tops from. The first place I check out is the HariboCompany.com. They got a coupon here for your first purchase, $5 off. Let's see. This is DIY tutu skirt supplies. Click on that. And they got these headbands. And they got 8" line crochet tutu tops. They're only $3.69, which is a good price. They got a lot of colors to choose from. They got the ones that are unlined. They're only $1.24 for 8". And they do 9" lined, which is really good. These will usually fit up to a size like 5. They do the 10", which usually will go up to a size 10 or so. So this is the place I go to first. And if they don't have what I'm looking for, I go to Etsy.com, and there's a shop called Crab's Craft Shack. And they're really good with their shipping and stuff. And they got a lot of crochets to choose from. They're a little pricey, I guess. And there's shipping on it. But they got loads of colors to choose from, and it's a very nice owner. I also shop from here sometimes. Little cute Tutus. They got 12-inch line and unlined ones, but they are from China. But the shipping's not too bad, actually. See, somebody said right here they arrive quickly. And if I want to buy a lot of crochets and I have the time, I'll get it from AliExpress. And this shop here, there's some 9 by 10, I guess that means they're 10 inches long. You get 10 tops for $24.65, and there's coupons. But you can, this one you choose your own colors, I think. Yeah. And then this one, they give you like mixed colors. So if you can, it's the cheapest way to do it, is get it from AliExpress. There's free shipping too. So for flowers, I get them from this website sometimes. It's aliexpress.com. The shop is, I guess, Knee Shine or N-I Shine maybe. But you get 1 yard of these shabby flowers for only $1.16, and there's coupons. Like I said, they do take a while to ship, so, but very good price. They got loads of colors to choose from. So at Hobby Lobby, I buy a lot of felt from there. You can get these 35-inch by 35-inch sheets. It's nice and thick too, but it's only $2.49, and I get white and black mostly from there, but they got a lot of colors. I also get wooden dowels from here. There's a pack of them. I use them for the wands and stuff I make. Like I said, I like getting some ribbon from there, and you can also get some crochet by the yard from there, which is cool. I also get my fold over elastic from Hobby Lobby, and I do buy pom-pom balls for one of my dresses, so I buy that from there too. Walmart, I buy this elastic right here. It's Dritz brand, and it is only $2.48. You get 25 yards. It's 3/4 of an inch is what I like to buy. It's knit non-roll elastic. So we don't live that far from a Walmart, so when I need things desperately, I'll go there first. I get my glue gun sticks and glue guns from Walmart. I get thread from Walmart, and sometimes I get some ribbon from there. Foam sheets I get from Hobby Lobby and Walmart. If I need cotton fabric, I'll get it from Walmart. It's usually the cheapest. And sometimes I'll go to Joann's for certain things. Some ribbon and some fabric. I'll get some acrylic crystals, you know, the rhinestones, from Walmart or Hobby Lobby. And sometimes they have good flowers to use for putting on tutus. This would be the end of the video. I hope this was helpful to you. I get asked all the time where I buy my tutu supplies from, so I'm hoping this will be helpful for everyone. Please comment, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. If there's anything you would like me to do as far as a tutorial or anything, just let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.